Welcome this video. Privacy screen for backyard fence. Create a scene of sunshine in your outdoor space. Do not mean sanctify style or a natural beauty. A privacy screen for your backyard fence is a provide and attach a way to enjoy sophistication, noise, add various charm to your gardening or patio, whether your block and view for neighbor, add style or simple upgradation. The look of your fence. What are stemless, create and budget friendly to explore this gas cover everything you need to know about backyard privacy screen for material and add design to idea main interest tape. Away add a privacy screen. Privacy screen both functional and static. They promote good is to create a scene your yard create eyes, however those screen also enhance curve appear by add textile color and structure, noise by block, sound and white, provide screen for patio, add pool, attach by wind, make your outdoor space more comfortable. Spotted climax plants allow you to grow and flower. In short, a privacy screen transforming a simple fence into statement price, then bring comfort, promotion, and growing to your backyard. Popular material for privacy screen. The noise choose of metal, great effect, main entrance and various appear. Here are some of the most comfort. Wood screen are timeless and various versatile, then both beautiful with natural surrounding and can be customized those plants climax redwood pin are popular choice ballast than rustic rock bamboo a tropical issue various and surrounding rock is an affordable way create explored trying to create fresh stand pin earth effective for Asia packed gardening and natural space material space screen those make for illuminate and still bring modern look design create palette that cost beautiful showcase then weather resisting requested main entrance live screen use plants as a privacy screen add live and fresh need to your yard and like can growing tranquil finch to from a lush gardening wall design and style versatile gardening wall convenient functional and beauty with our style privacy wall attach plants or pouch to the wood metal frame and fine theme with hard plants are surrounding is perfect for smart backyard space is limited wood fence screen harmonium a various wood screen Even attach create a silicone contemporary look. Adjust those space for those various little, often full privacy with allow color air the pass those little fans are created and affordable. Then can print to match your fans or idea supported climate plants. A beautiful various cover litter attach both and charm to your gardening. Decoration metal screen. Cut metal panel. Geometric design. Make both statement. Then can be powered cost in define color and use as artful divide benefit area like patio and lessing. Thank you for watching this video.